TGES America is a subsidiary company of Tokyo Gas Engineering Solutions. Here in Spartanburg, South Carolina, we are providing critical utilities such as steam, cooling water, chilled water, demineralized water to the U.S. client.
We need to be a reliable supplier of the utilities to our client. We need to be online 24/7.
Efficiency, productivity of the utilities, that is their business model. And every little bit that they can save in the production cost goes directly to their bottom line.
So they were looking for a control system that was going to have the redundancy and reliability built in to keep them running. Being able to automate that system is critical because they do have varying demands on their system and then the ability to not interrupt the production.
We walked in and demonstrated the value of a partnership with aeSolutions and the Siemens equipment.
One of the great things about the industrial control system is to have the entire system controlling the entire plant with one coordinated HMI system, and all the logic is contained in one spot. In this application, we use the redundant S7 1500 controllers. We also use Siemens 24-volt power supplies with redundancy modules and the remote I/O that goes along with the S7 1500, the ET200.
There's also a cyber package on top of the controllers that allows remote access from Japan so that they're able to access the historical data, the real-time data, visualization of the data. TGES is also looking at using artificial intelligence on the data to not only optimize operations and drive efficiency, but also to predict when there may be upsets that are coming that, if not headed off quickly, could jeopardize production. We ended up selecting TIA Portal as the architecture of choice, and we were able to use it to support remote FAT testing. The operator training went very well. The operators found it intuitive and easy to learn. TIA Portal was clearly the right choice for this project.
This project happened right in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. So we were in an environment where our client was really asking for an accelerated schedule. So we had to fast track that schedule. And to be able to do that, we had to be able to rely on our partnership with Siemens. When we couldn't find equipment quick enough, they were able to reach out to their partners, other facilities, and get the equipment that we needed expedited. And it just shows you what you can do when you have a good team.
The Siemens S7 1500 and the TIA Portal tool features allowed our software engineers to point by point to switch over the signals from the old system to the new. And then once enough of the signals had been moved to the new platform, the control scheme was moved from the old to the new. So the flexibility of the tool that allowed us to move those channels all in an operating plant, dancing with construction and the moving of the wires, the technology was a big enabler for that to happen.
Our company has a challenge to develop the market, to grow, and they're expecting a strong growth in the next few years.
We would like to expand our business. Here, we are aiming to continue to making a good relationship, aeSolutions and Siemens.
We built up a tremendous trust for TGES America, and they're in a great position to bring this type of service to universities, to commercial applications, as well as other industrial clients who would rather not own and operate their own utility facility. aeSolutions and Siemens will be here to support TGES hopefully every step of the way.